Good morning, students. Today we are gathered for this morning assembly. My name is Nirman sir. I'm your English faculty, and today we are going to discuss about the Shakespeare and his world. And before I start with the topic, let us stand all together for national anthem.
जन गण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल बंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मांगे गाहे तव जय गाथा जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे.
Dear students, let us begin with today's topic in the world of Shakespeare. Now, let me tell you all about the complete name of Shakespeare, as you all might be knowing about the William Shakespeare. Okay? And there are nicknames which are given to William Shakespeare. The nicknames are as follows: the Bard of Avon, the Bard. These were the nicknames which were given to Shakespeare. Apart from this, Shakespeare was born on 23rd April 1564 and on 23rd April 1616 at the age of 52 he left for the heavenly abode. Okay, so apart from this, there are some other lesser known facts about William Shakespeare. Let me tell you about all those facts. William Shakespeare's father had to do the business of making gloves for their earning. And William Shakespeare had 7 siblings. He got married at the age of early 17 and he got married to an older woman who was pregnant. After that, William Shakespeare had 3 children. William Shakespeare was one of the youngest English famous poet in England. He was one of the famous poet, a dramatist, a playist, and was one of the famous theatre person. Now, as we see, he was given a nickname of Bard of Avon. Now, what is Bard of Avon? When we just take this name, the Bard, it means that he was actually being rewarded with this famous attribute of being called as a famous poet. Though he was unofficially termed as the famous English poet of England. Right? After this, there are many contributions which are done by William Shakespeare. His traditional theatre and his traditional literature portion and his traditional performance had now contributed to this modern world of movies. Those were the days, long were the days when the people, they used to admire the poet, the famous English poet William Shakespeare. But still today, lot of famous English writers, poets, the famous English movie directors, the theatre artists, the plays, the poets, and the dramatists, they take lots of written work and literature portion which is contributed by William Shakespeare. My dear students, let me tell you about certain ideas which are given by William Shakespeare. William Shakespeare had been always the follower of four prominent things. The first one was the change. The second one was the appearance and reality. The third one was conflict. And the fourth one was order and disorder. Now, why he was the follower of all these four ideas? Because he had seen lot many changes in the environment around him, which are based on all these four facts and all these four ideas. Okay? Simultaneously, there are some inspiration in his life. One of the inspiration was Chaucer. William Shakespeare was a great admirer of Chaucer's play. He used lots of content which was given by the Chaucer in his own plays, in his own literature part. Apart from inspiration, he was important because he contributed to our English literature with lot many things. His contribution was very phenomenal. As we see all around the world, there are so many writings, there are so many written portions which are given by William Shakespeare. His contributions such as number one, the famous story of the Romeo and Juliet. Second one is the Merchant of Venice. Third is Henry V. And lot many more contributions which are done by William Shakespeare. Dear students, there are some other contributions which are done by William Shakespeare. Those are nearly about 1700 words are actually introduced and are invented by William Shakespeare, which are used nowadays mostly in our language today, English language. Apart from this, why Shakespeare was important? The reason, Shakespeare had created 37 plays and 154 sonnets. Apart from this, what made him genius? Shakespeare had developed an ability of thinking himself in the mind of other people around him. Apart from this, let us have a focus on whether the Shakespeare died rich or poor? As you all know, Shakespeare had the enough potential of writing a play, of doing the theatres, and he was being renowned there, one of the famous English poet of England, though it was unofficial announcement. In spite of that, his theatres contributed him earning with a good amount of income. So fortunately, William Shakespeare died with rich amount of richness in his income, with a rich income, right? Apart from this, why Shakespeare is useful to me today? Because for me, Shakespeare is an inspiration. It's an wisdom. Dear students, why Shakespeare is important to me? The reason is Shakespeare is a wisdom for me. He's an inspiration. He's a comfort. At times, Shakespeare is comedy for me, and at times, he's tragedy for me. So, we have seen lesser known facts about William Shakespeare, and we have discussed today everything which includes in his world. My dear students, I hope you all have understood this concept nicely. Dear students, now get ready for your next activity.
Peligro.